guys, welcome to Starboard Bow. The Hornet is underway, heading north towards Reno, Nevada. Spent a couple of 3 days at Reno, my old shipmate, Cool. Then I'm going to head up north to, or maybe it's called
Sierra
West. I don't know. I never went from Reno to the state of Washington, and I'm going to head from Reno to Washington. I just left the beautiful city of San Clemente. I know a lot of comments that I would get on my site, on my YouTube page, was been down south a lot. Well, you know, with the situation in this beautiful country, there are a lot of places to close, and I didn't want to deal with the, you know, you can't stay overnight here, you can't clean here, you can't come here, you know, different things. So I'm going to go ahead and head to Reno, Nevada, where I know I got at least a situation where I will be able to stay for a couple of 3 days. And then up to Washington, I'm taking 5 north to the 55 north, then to the 91 east, and then up to the 15, and I think the 395, and then all the way into Reno. So I'll take you with me. I'll update you on how the trip's going to be going here the next 2 or 3 weeks. Hopefully you'll keep on board and you'll be entertained. If not, let me know what I can do to make it more entertaining. I had a couple of projects on the Hornet I had to take care of. I fixed the screens. Boy, the screen on this window right here, the little screen that slides out, is just hard. You have to get a spatula, which is basically not a spatula, but what they use to smooth the concrete out, like a little long, thin, whatever it is. I'll show it to you later. Slip it under there and pop the screen out. In the meantime, I cracked a couple of spots, but anybody else knows how to get those little sliding screens out, it's right there. Let me know. I'm curious. I already fixed it, but I'd be curious to find out. I'm sure there's a way. One thing I learned about owning a motorhome, other than getting a 20-foot motorhome, is that you learn electricity, you learn everything about electricity, you learn everything about maintenance on an engine. So I would highly recommend that you take your children or your grandchildren out with you on motorhomes and RVs or whatever, and teach them as you do projects on your home. Teach them and let them see that, because they will learn about electricity. In high school, you learn a little bit about that stuff in public schools, but nothing better than getting hands-on training, and I would suggest you do that. So let's hit the road, see what's going on. No, I'm not buying a house, or I'm not buying a washer or dryer. I'm just heading to Reno, Nevada, and hopefully on the way there I can see some good, cool things, and I'll share them with you. I'll talk to you guys later.
Guys, it's Pete. I'm down here at Bear Creek. I can't help it, but the spot's really beautiful. It's got a little campfire right there. The creek's right here behind me. Fishing is supposed to be really good, but I don't know if this place is closed or not. It's pretty desolate. Have to wing it tonight and see what happens. Can't go wrong because you got the snowy mountains right there. You got the creek right here. And you got the beautiful mountains over there. Bishop's about 20 minutes north of here. That's where I was going to stop. But this is just really beautiful with these mountains. I'd love to see what it looks like at night. I'll give you guys a shot. Hit the road, Joe. Oh, this is a beautiful creek right here. Oh my gosh. You know me, I love me some water. Especially some running water. How pretty is that? Top choice brisket barbecue. I'm actually sitting at a table outside dining.